What if I told you you're closer to becoming rich than you've ever been, even if it doesn't feel that way? Today, we're going to uncover the hidden signs that wealth is already finding its way into your life, even if it's not visible yet. We'll dive deep into 7 powerful indicators that reveal you're building wealth. Stick with me. This video could be the revelation you've been waiting for. Let's quickly dive in. Number 1. You take action on knowledge quickly. Let's start with one of the most underestimated signs of future wealth: how quickly you implement what you learn. Many people spend hours scrolling through information, watching tutorials, reading books, but if you're someone who quickly takes action, you're already set apart. For instance, I once met a young entrepreneur who, after reading about SEO, immediately redesigned his entire website. Within weeks, his sales skyrocketed. Millionaires take what they learn and act immediately. They don't wait for the perfect time. Start looking for ways to apply what you've learned today, not tomorrow. Number 2. You're becoming comfortable with uncertainty. Wealthy people don't wait until they're 100% sure. They take calculated risks. Elon Musk once said, "When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds aren't in your favor." If you're someone who's willing to move forward without perfect clarity, this is a powerful sign. When you act despite uncertainty, you're building resilience and expanding your comfort zone, 2 qualities that define successful people. By becoming comfortable with ambiguity, you're opening up a world of opportunities that others will shy away from. Number 3. You enjoy the process of selling and communicating value. Let's address one of the biggest misconceptions: the belief that selling is a bad word. Wealthy people understand that selling is at the heart of success. Whether it's selling a product, an idea, or even your own skills, you're always influencing others. Richard Branson, founder of the Virgin Group, credits much of his success to his love for selling ideas that inspire others. When you get comfortable with selling, you unlock the potential to increase your income, attract more opportunities. Embrace selling as a tool for creating value. The more you enjoy it, the better you'll become at it. Number 4. You believe in your own luck. Now, this one might surprise you. Studies have shown that people who believe they are lucky actually end up experiencing more luck. Why? It's all about perception. When you think of yourself as lucky, you're more likely to see opportunities that others miss. And as opportunities multiply, so does your potential for success. If you're someone who believes good things happen to you, you'll act with confidence, take bold steps, and recover faster from setbacks. Adopt a mindset of luck. The more you believe in your potential, the more luck you'll create for yourself. With this perspective, you'll find yourself attracting positive outcomes and making bolder, smarter moves. Number 5. You're increasingly curious about wealth. If you find yourself diving into books, podcasts, or articles about wealth building, it's a clear sign you're on the right track. Curiosity leads to knowledge, and knowledge fuels growth. Wealthy individuals are relentless learners, always seeking ways to expand their understanding of finance, investments, and self-improvement. This curiosity isn't just academic. It often translates into real, actionable steps, as discussed previously in point number 1. Curiosity about wealth and growth is your superpower. If you maintain this curiosity, you'll develop a mindset of lifelong learning. This will help you stay adaptable and resilient, no matter how economic trends shift. Number 6. You respect money and those who have it. It's a crucial sign that wealth is on its way is having a healthy respect for money and those who have it. People who resent wealth often subconsciously push it away. Instead, viewing money as a tool for freedom and impact changes the entire game. If you see the potential in money rather than fearing it, you're preparing yourself to handle wealth wisely. Build a positive relationship with money. Instead of seeing it as evil, see it as a resource for creating a meaningful life. With this mindset shift, you're not just attracting wealth, you're preparing to keep it, use it, and make it grow. Number 7. You've stopped obsessing over immediate rewards. If you've noticed a shift from wanting quick rewards to focusing on long-term results, you're developing one of the most valuable wealth-building traits. This mindset shift is about seeing beyond instant pleasures, such as buying the latest gadget or splurging on luxury items, and instead thinking about investments that grow over time. Think of people who choose to invest their money instead of buying a new car. Instead of thinking about what you can buy now, think about what you could grow over time. When you master the art of delayed gratification, you'll naturally build a financial cushion. These are 7 powerful signs that wealth is building within you, even if it's not fully visible yet. As you take these insights to heart, remember that becoming rich isn't just about reaching a financial goal. It's about developing the mindset and habits that create lifelong abundance. If you found value in this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more wisdom on wealth and success, and don't forget, the journey to wealth starts with who you become. Thanks for watching, and let's build a life of abundance together.